Leetcoders, let's do another Leetcode problem 405, convert a number to hexadecimal. And it's a very interesting problem actually. It has been characterized as easy, but it was anything but easy for me. But anyway, give it a shot again to see how is it everything going. So first thing we do is we take care of the boundary conditions. So if you have a num equal to 0, what do? If num equal to 0, you return as you already guessed 0, right? Now if num is less than 1, negative number, what do? Less than 0, less than 0 actually, negative number, not less than 1. So in that case we will basically take the number and we say num equal to plus 232. So that's trick number 2. So this is to get rid of all the negative numbers using 2's complement. So as you know, minus 1 is equal to all f in unsigned. So after having done that, let's do the get to the crux of the matter. So suppose result is the name of your, come up with a string actually, a list, and so basically what's converting a number to hexadecimal means you keep dividing the number by 16 and keep collecting the reminders. So we will be collecting all these reminders in the result list. So q equal to num, let's just say this. Now while q greater than 0, so because this is the numerator and r is the remainder. So quotient and remainder, q equal to, use the Python function dibmod. Dibmod say, now okay, we have already put q equal to num qr, right? So while this, and then all you do is you say result dot append so that is, we will later on define what is this string hex digits. So in Python the best beautiful thing is you can do with strings as you can do with list. So if you have a hex digits string, let's say you have a hex digit string, hex dig digits equal to, if you take 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then A B C D E F. So let's see if this one works. So now as you know it won't work because you have to return a string representation of that number, hexadecimal, in hexadecimal. So you say hex str, this is the string will be returning, will be equal to your dot append. So this dot join rever. As you know, we'll be getting these digits, hexadecimal digits in reverse order. So we will have to take the result. I think this, if you return hex string, it should work. Return hex str. So that is run. Saying runtime error, q comma r equal to, r reference before assignment, I see. So q comma r equal to dibmod. Oh, I see. So this should be 16 actually. Q comma 16. And there you go. So we have a working solution, and some of the interesting thing that we learn here is take care of the boundary conditions. So for example, if num is 0, return 0. If num is less than 0, negative number, convert it into 2's complement, unsigned. So, and then understand that in Python you can take a string and get its, you can index into it just like you could do with a list. So with that, let's do a submit, and it worked. So it's good to know that everything is working great. It was an easy problem. Convert, this is what at least Leetcode says, it was easy. It was anything but easy for me, I would say. I would consider it like kind of not so easy. But basically this is your convert a number to hexadecimal. So given 26A, it will return 1A. And this is I would say, if you understand that in Python there is a div mod function which returns you the quotient and the remainder at the same time, which is a very interesting property, that interesting function. Otherwise you'll have to do things like, you have to do things like q equal to num integer division 16, and then for r you would say r equal to num mod 16, and so that would be your another way to get the same, the quotient and the remainder, but then you'll have to execute two statements. Here you can simply call div mod. So I hope it was interesting and it will get your creative juices of lead coding flowing. And with that, I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.